again, everyone. Welcome back to French for Fun. I am so glad to have you. It's French Hour, yeah. And this is your teacher Rachel, who is going to take you through today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about French alphabets. French alphabets are very, very easy to learn, and it is important to learn them because they can help you to spell anything you come across to, and also to know some of the abbreviations, because there are some associations, companies or organizations which always use abbreviations, and if you do not know them, you can have a very, very difficult time to know which one did they talk about. For example, in France we have like SNCF. When we talk about SNCF, we know what we are talking about. EDF, we know that this is for electricity. So it can really be easy for you if you already know. French alphabets are the same as the English alphabets. The only difference between the two is that they are pronounced differently. Yes, some of them are pronounced differently in French, but I want to assure you that French alphabets are really very, very easy to grasp. Let's go directly into today's lesson right away. Okay, let's begin. A, B, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's simple as that. We are going to go to this one here now, the scenario that I put in. Bonjour, je m'appelle Wilfred. Et toi, tu t'appelles comment? Je m'appelle Clara. Ça s'écrit comment? C, L, A, R, A. Congratulations! Now you already know how to tell a French alphabet. I am going to leave you as of now, wishing you a very nice time, and I'm just wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you so much for being with me up to the end, and stay blessed.